Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Subaru BRZ Limited. This one's fitted with the 6-speed manual, as it should be. And honestly, it's a ton of fun to drive. This is like the third BRZ I've driven, and I just absolutely love them. They're so much fun. This one has the performance package, which comes with the Brembos and different shocks. Trying to see what's the exterior color. World Rallycross Blue Pearl. Total price comes to $30,940. This of course features the Boxer 4-cylinder, no turbo, but really doesn't. Actually, no, I could use a turbo in this, but never opened the hood on one of these. Oh, red. Haha, that's pretty cool. The hood is extremely light too. You have a hood prop here. If you want to change your oil filter, that's pretty easy. Not too difficult at all to get in. You do have back seats, although I would never want to use them if I was over 4 foot tall, because they're pretty cramped back there. Nice carbon fiber trim, and you're nice and comfortable. Six-speed manual, very nice and easy to use. Very short throws on this one too. Also have a backup camera. But without further ado, let's take this thing for a drive. Pretty easy to drive. Clutch engages pretty much halfway. Not too overly complicated at all. Oh, this thing is just an absolute riot to drive. I'm gonna try to avoid this massive speed bump. Because even though this car can take them, I don't really like to. I love the seating position too. Super low down. It's just absolutely awesome. And it does just sound absolutely fantastic. Nice and easy to drive around too. Visibility is absolutely phenomenal. While people are gonna beg for more power, I get it. I could definitely use a turbo on this. Does it need it? No, it really doesn't. Once you get up to speed, this thing is a ton of fun. It's just such a fun car to drive. Which would I prefer, the Miata or this? Probably this. Go around the bump. Over this one. What I love about the BRZ is it's just overall an absolutely sensational car to drive. It's not about being the fastest car on the block, not about putting down the highest horsepower numbers out there. It's just about having fun, and it excels in that. It is absolutely fantastic. I really have not driven a car that is as much fun as this little thing. Well, okay, a lot of different cars are as fun, but for different reasons. This is just overall an amazing package to drive. You know, I'm not sitting here begging for more power. It is just perfect. It's awesome. I love it. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.